Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Rainbow Six Siege X crashing. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to right click on it, properties, install files, and verify integrity of the game files. Restart your computer, look if the problem persists. Next thing, what I suggest to do here is to disable all the overlays on your computer. Discord uses overlay, Steam uses overlay, NVIDIA app uses overlay. So what I suggest to do here, sometimes it can be the problem, is to disable all the overlays here. Also on Steam, you can go to settings here, open up this window here, and then in-game overlay, and disable all the apps that uses overlay, and then look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, go to settings, then you need to go to a Windows update and install update if there is on your PC. Then go to your GPU drivers and then install latest drivers here and look if the problem persists or not. Next thing, open up File Explorer. Then you need to go to a Documents, then go to My Games, then go to Rainbow Six Siege, find Game Settings file here, and then you need to look for FPS. You can look it on search, but you should see FPS limit and limit FPS to your monitor's rate. In my case is 240, and just limit FPS and then try to launch the game, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, open up settings, go to Rainbow Six Siege, go to properties, install files, and browse. And then you need to copy the path first, and then here you need to look for Rainbow Six Siege exe file. Usually is on the bottom. Right click on it, go to show more options, properties, compatibility, make sure disable full screen optimization is on, and run this program as administrator. Then what you need to do here, you need to open up graphic settings. Make sure advanced graphic settings, this hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is on. Then select add a desktop app, paste the path, and then add exe file here. And once the exe file is added, it should appear on this list here. So I need to look for it. Then make sure high performance is selected and optimizations for Windows games is selected as well. Then what you need to do here, you just need to write Windows Defender Firewall. Then allow an app here, change settings, allow another app, browse, paste the path again, add the exe file, and then add. If you're getting this error, this means this is already added, so you don't need to worry about it. Then what you need to do here, you need to write virus and threat protection. Here, you need to look for virus and threat protection here, and then manage settings, scroll down, exclusions, and you need to add Rainbow Six Siege folder. So folder, then paste the path, and then you just need to select common, and here should be a Rainbow Six Siege folder, and select it. And restart your computer and your game should work. So that's pretty much it.